Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the House of Nightmares, and welcome back to the Chucky room. So in today's video is gonna be a quick video because today Mezco Toyz officially announced their first Chucky product of 2020, and I just had to share my thoughts with you guys because I am super excited for this prop. I'm super excited for this doll. It's actually not a Chucky doll, it's a Tiffany doll. And I think this is the year of Tiffany dolls. I think a lot of companies are gonna be doing a lot of Tiffany dolls. It's just a gut feeling that I have. But yeah, Mezco Toyz announced that they're going to be releasing a Tiffany doll. This is the Seed of Chucky Tiffany doll, and this is going to be a talking Tiffany doll. And of course, if you didn't know, Mezco Toyz is known for having a lot of talking Chucky dolls. As you can see from the background that I have back here, all of their toys or all of their Chucky toys do talk, except for like I think one of them or two of them. But I'm really super excited about this Tiffany doll because she just looks freaking incredible. And of course, Mezco Toyz is known for having great quality on all of their dolls. They do come out with a lot of great products. I think it's time for Mezco Toyz to step up their game and just come out with a life-size Chucky doll, because if their quality is just as good as a 15-inch doll, can you imagine how amazing their life-size Chucky dolls would look and would be? So I think Mezco Toyz really needs to step up their game and just come out with a life-size Chucky doll. But yeah, I'm really super excited about this Tiffany doll. I don't have a lot of Tiffany dolls. I've said this in the past. I do have quite a few, well, not quite a few, but I do have like maybe 4 or 5 Tiffany dolls. I'm actually on their website right now. She is for pre-order. She is 15 inches tall and she does come with sound. I'm pretty sure she's gonna say a couple of phrases from the movie, maybe about 6 or 7. I do like her facial expression. I do like the hair that they have on her, and I like the dress. It does give me Seed of Chucky vibes, even though Seed of Chucky is one of the worst Chucky movies out there. I still do love it in a weird way. But when it comes down to dolls, I really don't care what movie it comes out of, as long as it's a really badass doll, and this one is definitely a badass doll. So again, she is going to be 15 inches tall, which is your typical size, like one of those dolls that I have. She's on pre-order right now for $98, which is again your basic standard price for their 15-inch dolls. I feel like I cannot talk today. Hold on, I'm so excited. She's gonna be $98. She's for pre-order. She's 15 inches tall. She's gonna be a talking Tiffany doll, and it ships anywhere between June and August. This is really what I hate about Mezco Toyz. Well, I don't want to say that I hate, because I don't really hate it, but I just don't really like when they announce a product and you're super pumped for the product and then you find out, oh, you gotta wait 6-7 months for it. So it's like, what? If I gotta wait 8 months to get this product, why don't you just wait, announce it 2 months before the release date and then release it? Just my personal opinion, but yeah, if you want to get her, she is for pre-order. Expect her to ship anywhere between June and August. So this means that you'll get her either in June, you'll get her in July, or you'll probably get her in August. Now, this is just an estimate. They can always turn around and say, never mind, this is gonna ship in October. So you gotta keep that in mind. But this is a really nice doll. Personally, for me, I will not be pre-ordering this. I'm just going to wait for the product to come out, because sometimes there's different websites where they do special offers and they do have special coupons. So I'm just going to wait on my $98. And yes, I'm being a little cheap, but I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna pre-order this one, but I really like this. I really like this doll. I think she looks amazing, and I cannot wait to see what else Mezco Toyz has in store for Chucky products, because this is a bang. They're starting 2020 with a bang, and this is a bang, and I'm super excited. And I know they have something else cooked for us. Can I say a Glen doll? I wouldn't be surprised if Mezco Toyz comes out next month with, oh, guess what? We're also gonna do a Glen doll, 15-inch, and he talks. I think that would be so cool to finally have the Chucky, the Good Guy doll, the Tiffany, and the Glen doll. Finally, Mezco Toyz can come out with the family, and we can just all enjoy the product. Okay, so really quick, for those who don't know, this is what a 15-inch doll looks like. She will come in a box like this with her little window like that, which I'm really curious. Please, Mezco Toyz, don't make the box black with blood dripping down. Please. Please don't. I'm begging you. I'm tired of that design. I don't like it. But she is going to come in her own little window box according to the website. In the description, it does say she's going to have a little window box. Please, Mezco Toyz, I'm begging you. Do not add this stupid I can talk thing in the packaging. Which I know they're probably going to add that so we can know that she talks like we're stupid. I don't like this. It's just a preference in packaging, but fine. But yeah, the box is a little bit taller than 15 inches. I think it's the doll that is 15 inches, but this is just so you can get an idea in case you're not familiar with Mezco Toyz and their Chucky packaging and dolls. You'll be surprised. There's a lot of people who don't have a Mezco toy doll, but yeah, next to me, it's a really nice size. I like it. I'm excited. I can't wait. But damn, August? Really? It is what it is. I guess I'm just gonna have to patiently wait and chew on my nails till the day comes. But yeah, I'm excited. Are you excited? Are you going to buy it? Are you going to pre-order it? Did you already pre-order it? Because I know there's a lot of Chucky fans out there who, as soon as the pre-order hits, bought. Not me. Like I said, I like to wait for other retailers to put out their merchandise, because like I said, they do offer discounts and coupons. So I rather just wait and just take it easy. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Are you excited for her? Are you excited to see what else Mezco Toyz is going to bring us this year? Because I know I am. All right, you guys, and moving on to something that is not Chucky related, but it is a horror movie, I think. And this is a horror video. Kinda. Today was the official release for the movie The Boy Part 2. They released the trailer today, and I was gonna do a first impression, but I couldn't help myself, and I just played it and I watched it, and I gotta say, I'm impressed. I freaking hated the first one. The first one was weak. It was a little bit boring. The ending was a little bit dumb. I didn't get it. I didn't like it. I was like, really? So when it was announced that they were gonna do a part 2, I'm like, there's really no need to do a part 2. We already know the ending. Like, what else is there to do? But watching the trailer for part 2, I was intrigued. I honestly want to see it. Even though part 1 did suck, part 2 looks promising. It looks like it's going to be a good one, but then again, part 1 looked like it was going to be a good movie, and it turned out to be a movie. And from the looks of it, I guess they're going to explain how part 1 happened, which made, like, it still doesn't make no sense. I'm trying to figure this out, because in part 1 the doll wasn't really possessed. Spoiler alert if you haven't seen the first one. If you haven't seen the first one, it's not my fault. I'm just gonna spoil it for you. Yeah, the doll was never really possessed. It was a grown-ass man manipulating the doll. But in part 2, they make it seem like the doll is actually possessed. So I'm just gonna have to wait for part 2, but I just wanted to put my 2 cents out there. It looks like it's going to be a fun sequel. It looks good. I would put little clips here and there of the trailer, but I don't want to spoil the trailer for you guys. So if you want to check it out, it's on YouTube. Go check it out. I'll leave the trailer in the description down below. It looks like a good movie, so check it out. Let me know if you guys are gonna watch it, if you guys think it looks good, or if you're gonna pass on this one. But alright, you guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I wanted to put my little 2 cents out there. Here you go. Now give them back to me and let me know what your 2 cents are. Are you gonna get the Tiffany doll, and are you gonna go watch The Boy? As always, if you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up, because I really do appreciate that. And let me just say disclaimer. So I've been uploading my videos. I've been coming back on YouTube and uploading my old videos. Now, the videos that I have been posting are Halloween related videos. A lot of people seem to be confused. Everybody's like, it's not Halloween, it's January. You keep saying it's October, we're in Halloween. You guys, if you didn't know, in October, my dog passed away. It was a really hard thing for me to go through, and it still is to this day. I get very emotional talking about it. I I took some time off. I had already pre-recorded these videos for October. These were my Halloween videos that I was excited to share with you guys. Unfortunately, my pet passed away October 16, and since then I never uploaded any video. But I already had my videos planned out for the month of October, including my documentary of Chucky. Now I had two options. Either one, never post these videos and just let them go to waste, or number two, post the videos and who cares. I went for post the videos, who cares, because I took so much time editing these videos, making these videos, and I don't want them to go to waste. I want you guys to enjoy them. So yes, I'm gonna keep posting these videos. I think there's like 2 or 3, I think there's 3 more left, where I do say happy Halloween. I'm so excited because it's Halloween. It's the month of Halloween. It's October. So that is the reason. I know a lot of people are so confused. They keep posting comments saying, asking, but it's January. It's not October. So yes, these videos were filmed last year in October, or a little bit before October. I took some time off to grieve, and now I'm back, and I'm gonna put these videos out there for you guys to enjoy. So yeah, I hope that cleared the air. And if you're still confused, then figure it out. I can't make it any more clear than this. So but alright, you guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Edgar-O, and welcome to my channel. Since you're already here, you might as well just click that subscriber button and be part of the Edgar-O family, which is a family of horror and fashionable stuff, because that's what I like. So yeah, stick around. Also, don't forget to click that bell button to get notified for every single time I upload, which is once a week. But alright, you guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. By the way, I am wearing this really badass Chucky t-shirt. Look at this. I got this for Christmas from hubby. I believe he bought it at FYE, and this t-shirt is just bomb. I can't wait to come out with my own Chucky related products, t-shirts, and everything else coming soon.